In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your billing address on Amazon. This guide will be applicable for most regions. So whether you're trying to update your payment details after a move or just correcting outdated information, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and make this process as smooth as possible for you. First things first, you'll want to sign into your Amazon account on the web. It's important to do this on a desktop or laptop for the best experience, as navigating several options might be a little trickier on a mobile device. Once you've successfully logged in, you should see your home page with various options. Here, you need to look for the section labeled Your Account. It's usually found at the top right of the page. Now, click on Your Payments. Depending on updates or regional differences, this might also appear as Payment Options. Either way, this is the section you want to access. Here you'll see all your stored payment methods, like credit or debit cards linked to your account. Next, pinpoint the specific card for which you intend to change the billing address. This step is crucial if you have multiple cards to avoid any confusion or errors. Once you've found the right one, look for the Edit option next to that card. Clicking this will allow you to update important details associated with your payment method. On the Edit screen, you'll see fields where you can update your billing address. This is where you'll need to input your new details, including the street, city, postal code, and any other relevant information. Take care to double-check each field for accuracy, as incorrect data might lead to transactions being declined or delivery issues with your orders. After entering your updated information, make sure to save the changes. This step is essential because without saving, all your efforts might be lost, and you would need to redo the whole process. Look for a Save button, often found near the bottom of the form, and click it to ensure your new billing address is stored correctly. Optionally, if you're anticipating more address changes or just want the ease of future updates, you might want to head over to the Addresses section. Here, you can add a new address by clicking Add Address, which allows you to input and save new details. Afterward, you can set this new address as the default for billing. Alternatively, you can edit an existing address and save those changes, depending on your preference. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your billing address on Amazon. Whether you're a regular shopper or just a casual buyer, making sure your details are up to date is key to seamless transactions. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping!